Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have Flutter installed and a project open. Now you start by creating the widget that will host your grid. Create a stateful widget or stateless widget, then in Build return a scaffold with a body. Once done, decide between Gridview, Count, or Gridview. Builder, choose Count for fixed column numbers and Builder for dynamic lists. Make sure to prepare a data list of items and simple card widgets to render each cell before wiring up the grid view. Now implement the core grid view. If using Gridview, Count, set cross-axis count, main axis spacing, and child aspect ratio to shape cells. If using Gridview, Builder, provide grid delegate, sliver grid delegate with fixed cross-axis count or extent to control layout, and implement item builder to return your item widget. Once wired, map your data into widgets and include keys or semantics for accessibility. Make sure to wrap images with aspect ratio or fitted box to avoid overflow, and to test responsiveness across screen sizes. Finish by polishing interactions and performance. Add inkwell for tap effects, use const constructors where possible, and preload or cache images to avoid jank. Once complete, test orientation changes and different device sizes. If items overflow or look stretched, adjust child aspect ratio, wrap the grid view in expanded or set shrink wrap, true with caution, and check parent constraints. One key troubleshooting tip: if scrolling conflicts occur, set physics. Never scrollable scroll physics on nested grids or lift scrolling to the outer widget.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.